Alright, YouTube. So I had a guy on YouTube asking me how do it look inside of the G-body if a Lt1 was in it. So I'm showing him. I mean, it ain't the best, you know, something. Just trying to get my car back running or whatever. I mean, it's a much cheaper than putting the LS in, which was gonna be my next thing I was gonna do, but I found this cheaper or whatever. And I mean, basically, the setup is pretty much the same. All I did was change the motor mounts, put those motor mounts in from the old SBC, and I haven't seen nobody else yet, but mine I had to take the AC compressor from right there and move the motor mount to the AC compressor hole. I mean, I still got some. I had a Corvette Lt1 as well, so I might go when I decide to put the AC in there, put the Corvette AC compressor and brackets on this side or whatever. I mean, I know a lot of y'all gonna be on here talking about, oh, why didn't you go LS and all of that stuff like that. I mean, it's a cheaper route to go, so I decided to go this way until I can come up with the rest of the money to put the LS in. I mean, as far as transmission, I use a 4L60E connected to this motor already, and the motor, the trans mount bracket lined right up with it and everything with no issue or whatever. So I mean, I'm doing this for the guy that asked me to make a video. Went on ahead and make the video. I mean, a lot of people, all I hear is bad comments about is that this Opti spark, which is behind this water pump right here. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, I haven't heard too much bad issues about the Lt1. So I mean, if you need help or anything, I mean, I got links I can give you, or you can ask me a few questions and I can tell you what I did.